If you have a picture on your phone gallery, now you want to send the picture as snaps on Snapchat, these topical talks gonna show you the easiest way to send a picture as snaps on Snapchat. Follow these steps. First of all, launch your Snapchat and come to this Snapchat homepage, and here tap on this magnifying glass icon, and in this search box search for green effect or filter, and here you will find this green screen. All you have to need, just tap on that. Now here you will get your gallery photos. All you have to need, just select the photo that you want to send as snap. Once you selected the picture, now just tap on this button to take a photo. Once done, now you can write here any text. After that, tap on send to, and now select a chat where you want to send the picture as snaps and tap on send. Then I'm going to my message section, going to the conversation, and as you can see, I've successfully sended the picture as snaps. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.